Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to allow CamScanner app to access the camera on your Android phone. If you have been facing issues with scanning documents, first, open the CamScanner app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, from the menu that appears, select More Settings. After that, tap on Permission Manager to open the permissions list for the app. Then, find the camera option and click on Set. At this point, your phone's settings will open automatically. Tap on Permissions in your phone settings and select Camera. You will see multiple options for camera access. Choose Allow Only while using the app to ensure the app can scan documents whenever it is open. Granting CamScanner camera access is simple once you navigate to the Permission Manager and adjust settings. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who may need it. Thank you for watching.